Hi! How are you doing?
Thank you very much, Ma'am Nene Malabhao. And now it is your turn, Ma'am Johanna Armodia.
Asa agi ulit vlog? Asa agi ulit? Asa kita? Pabinyon? Usod ka pabinyon? Dugay na ng gana.
Thank you very much, Ma'am Johanna Armodia. And the sixth to give her gift, let us welcome Ms. Maricel Armodia.
Happiest birthday. Wala ko lang wish ni wala kundi stay healthy and thank you for the love and the care, especially ni Zampo. Wala, ano may ginabuhat, nakakatibuyan niya. O, basta po na akong lang wish, o tali na mawagaway ni Zampo.
Thank you very much, ma'am. And next to give her gift, please welcome Ma'am Chinley Armodia.
Hapon sa tanan, salamat pa sa Ginoo kay naabot sa karong tuiga si Lula sa iyang 80th birthday. And in behalf of the team, gusto niya ipabot. Happy birthday, hindi nga masaya kaayo siya nimo. And hopefully, nasa ako. Pangidalon sama sa
Thank you very much, Ma'am Chinley Armodia. And last to give her gift, let us all welcome Ma'am Irene Diguma.
happy birthday, Lola Luz. More birthdays to come, and then years and
Thank you very much, Ma'am Irene Diguma. And I would like to request all the 8 treasures to please proceed to our birthday celebrant for the photo opportunity. Again, to all our 8 treasures, please proceed together with our birthday celebrant for and photo opportunity. Ladies and gentlemen, how about we give them a big round of applause? Our 8 treasure gifts. Walking. 1, 2, 3, smile. Walking. Alright, thank you very much to our 8 treasures gift. And our next part is the 8 money gift. Now, the giving of money as birthday gift is a practical and acceptable choice, especially for close friends and family. It allows the recipient to choose what they truly want or